I'm pretty active in high school. I joined the dance club and theater. So before our graduation in high school, I went to the salon to get my hair done and makeup. It was the worst makeup ever. He used black eyeliner on my brows, and really it was really worst, but I still attended my graduation. I moved to the city to study in college. It was 4 hours away from our province, where I took fine arts, but then I changed to Bachelor of Nursing. At that time, I became addicted to video games. One day I was playing a video game, and that's where I met my lovey-doves. So we started talking, getting to know each other, and then we became boyfriend, girlfriends. And then in 2006, he visited me. It was the first time we met in person. So I was so nervous. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I see him.